Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change Mustang dash color full guide. Start by disconnecting the battery to prevent shorts and airbag faults, then remove trim carefully using plastic pry tools to avoid scratches. Organize screws and clips into labeled bags so nothing gets lost, and take photos of each step for reference. Work in a dust-free space and test colors on a small area before committing to a full repaint. Prepare all tools and materials before you start to keep momentum and avoid interruptions during paint. Clean the dash thoroughly with isopropyl alcohol and a lint-free cloth so primer adheres properly. Then sand lightly to create a key for primer. Use high-quality automotive primer and choose paint rated for UV resistance, and always apply thin, even coats, letting each layer flash before the next application. When painting, maintain a consistent distance and motion to avoid runs and orange peel, and allow proper flash time between coats for a smooth finish. Use light, overlapping passes with the spray gun and rotate orientation to reach all angles, then wet sand any imperfections with very fine sandpaper before applying clear coat. Cure the clear coat in a dust-free area and avoid heavy handling until fully set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.